Either way, we're gonna have to pull a couple pieces. First, this big plastic one on top, and the grill pops out easy too. Let's start with this one on the top. It's held in by these 10 little pop rivets, and I'll show you how to get them out. Comes out easy. Just get your flathead under the top part. If you want to be real fancy about it, they make these pop rivet pliers. Makes it easy. And with all 10 of those out, this ought to just pop right out. Unless you were using it for custom securement of the other headlight. So I guess I better cut those zip ties. Now it's free. Like I said, ought to pop right out and set out of the way. Now this grill. 2 out of 4 ain't bad. So it looks like we got about 6 clips holding this grill in. 2 in the middle on each side and 1 down below on each side. Looks like we just give them a squeeze with some needle nose and push them out. Having this little variety pack of needle nose helps a lot. All right, well, let's hope that's the hardest part of that job. That was kind of tricky, but apparently if you squeeze them right there in the middle, it seemed to have the best results. All right, I'm gonna try and get these 4 bottom clips in first. And now let's try and line up these top ones. Nice camera work. All right, now we can add the bolts.